everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. In this video you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. I always try to bring some unique and innovative ideas. Look at this. You can take the screenshot of the picture. All ideas are new and unique. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel, so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. If you didn't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. I would be very happy if you will give it a thumbs up. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.